Just few days ago, I features unboxing and review regarding about iPad Pro 2018 12.9 inches. As what I mentioned before, going to unbox the keyboard. My name is Jorvin Talaran and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Sorry, it's DJ.
You can get some.
This iPad Pro Smart Keyboard, the price of this one is 799 Saudi Riyal, 799 Riyal. I-convert po natin sa peso, 799 Saudi Riyal times 13.50. Nasa 10,786 keyboard pa nga po lang yan. iPad Pro 2018 12.9 inches. Ito po yung magiging hitsura ng keyboard, pero limited lang yung gesture ng keyboard, dalawang angle o tatlo lang, hanggang dyan lang siya. At pwede mo siyang matupi. Ayan. Sabi ng isang friend ko, pangit yung keyboard mo kasi matakpan daw yung brand ng yung Apple logo dito sa likod. Siyempre, may paraan pa ako paano po re-resolvehan yan. Watch this. Okay guys, for those who are not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, I would like to invite you all to please subscribe my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to click the bell button para updated po naman kayo sa mga video na gagawin ko. I hope sa support nyo ako.